CMMC, practice AC.2.005. The requirement: provide privacy and security notices consistent with applicable Controlled Unclassified Information (CUI) rules. What does this mean? Your system users need to consent to your policies before using your system. System use notifications allow you to do this. You don't have to display all your policies, but a high-level overview is in order. This provides legal protection to your organization and informs users that they can be held accountable for the actions they take. An example implementation: create a privacy/security notice to display on your systems before users log in. You can make the security notices appear on Windows workstations and servers using group policy. You can manually configure it on other systems, such as Linux servers and network devices. Your notice should inform users of the following. You may monitor, record, and subject to audit any use of the system. Unauthorized use of the system is prohibited. Unauthorized use may be subject to criminal and civil penalties. By using the system, users consent to monitoring and recording. Your business needs to earn its CMMC. With our app at cupcyber.com, we help you do that and more. All your CMC requirements are broken down and simplified for the level you need. An explanation and scenario for each makes it simple and easy to understand what you need to do. Our app identifies your CMC and cybersecurity gaps. All you have to do is answer a few simple questions, and our app will automatically let you know where you stand and where you need to go, creating tasks to help you get there and remediate those gaps. Manage your CMC project with ease, view your progress, and track your cybersecurity risks. Set due dates and assign team members, all within the app. No installation or infrastructure required. It's all available and secured in the cloud. Head over to cupcyber.com to get started now.